Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. And this video is very interested. And in this video, we will cover how to use OpenClaw with cloud models and how to use free cloud models. And we did before also like cloud code if anyone want, so they can watch this video also. This is latest and last video about cloud code and 9 router, and in this video we will see OpenCloud how to use free like cloud code if anybody was. So if you are watching my video first time, so must subscribe my channel, then I will bring more this kind of videos. So thank you. Without wasting time, we will start. First, you should install in your PC OpenClaw. So you can do directly if you want to do npm. If you have Node.js in your PC, so must run this command, and then after install, you will learn it. You will learn, and we will set up here. And it is running, so I will stop. And here we will see. If your PC is not installed before Node.js, so you can do directly install latest version. And also after install OpenClaw, you can run this command, and must subscribe my channel. I run now, and you can see 9 router. What is 9 router? In this video we will not cover it. We will not cover what is OpenClaw. We will just run OpenClaw with 9 router and with free models. And you can see my videos, they keep in the official 9 router repo. Here is my video about cloud code, how to run free. So if you want, so you can watch it from here also. And here we will also, by 9 router we will use again run. We will use OpenClaw. And how? Now we will see it. If you did before, set up all things, so you don't need do again. And skip and go ahead main 9 router setting. Quick start use action. I am doing for that kind of people, they didn't use still. And you can do Anthropic directly, and I am doing here. And you can do direct here. It is not free. Just we are taking API key for starting, and ahead we will change it. Here come, you can see it. Now we will directly select WhatsApp. I linked before, I did link, and if you didn't, so you can do, and you can connect your other channels, whatever you want. And here I am not doing skills now. It's our not purpose. And skip for now. Click press space, then enter, and here it will be start. You can see it. Okay. So here is coming with this number. You should change with your local host. And look here, your chat is coming. Hi. It will be not run. Why? Because of model. And now our main topic is coming. So without wasting time, we will start to install 9 router till when it is trying. So first we will run 9 router command to install. Here is not, so we will direct do. Here is this command you will run first. It is running in free, but it is not fully free for some tokens. So you can, I am saying, now we are seeing it is trying, but we will set up with cloud models. Now we are installing 9 router. It is running now, but it is too much limited. That's why we are 9 router. 9 router is installed, so we will start. Message is sent, and really I can see in my phone. So now we will here we will open in browser this. Okay, it's opening. So till when we will hide to tray, it will run always whenever you start your PC. So we did it, and now we are opening here this, and the simple password 126 126 12345 6, and here we will connect from providers. You have a lots of providers. You can do via anti-gravity for this kind of model. This is limited, but we will create combo, then we will use it. So now I am directly doing Kilo AI. This is fully unlimited, and it supports us 4.5 Sonnet model, 4.5 Haiku model. So this is enough for us, and its setup is too simple. We will do from here. First login, then again start here in this. Because there is before logging, I want to show you everything from start. And here is we will again connect. First, we will simple login. Sign up if we are first time, so we will do sign up first time. Very simple way, everybody can see and can do it. So now we will do connect. Now finally we can use these models, and we will start directly CLI tools, not waste our time, and we can create combo for if some models will fail, so directly second will be start, and you can connect here anti-gravity and other models also, kilocode, cursor, github copilot. Here you can connect all. In this video I am not connecting, this video will be short, and you will create combo. If some one model will be fail, so second will be start, and at the last, it our last step, we will connect with OpenCloud. Last video we saw cloud code, and in this video we will see here. So currently that model is selected, and we will select it now. So finally this model is connected, and some, if you're not starting from start, so you can see it. We will start new session. Now our Sonnet cloud model is running, you can see it, and this is unlimited. And you can do here everything within chat, and it's unlimited, and you can connect other models. Our WhatsApp is connected, but it is saying we will again try. We are trying. Now you will see it. Okay, so this model, this message is sent to us, and finally I can see it, and you will also see. So if you are watching my video first time, so kindly subscribe my channel, or for this kind of video, if you want, so in comment you will mention what you want next. Thank you for watching this video.